Welcome to the first video on the FC Rx7. We're just going to be doing the gauge cluster in this video. In the future, we're going to be installing new wiper bushings because the old one's cracked. Then we're also going to be installing a silencer in his HKS exhaust because it is very loud, as you'll see at the end of this video. So stay tuned and enjoy the content. If you want to build breakdown or any more information on this car, just leave a comment. Maybe we'll do one in the future if people have enough questions. So right here, we're just making sure the two clusters match up and are the same. Before we install it, we had LED bulbs put into the new cluster before we started filming. Hopefully those work out, but keep that in mind later because they don't. So right here we have the new cluster. It's going to be replacing the old one. That's the speedo cable. We're just trying to get a little bit more length out of it. You'll see right here in a second what we're trying to lengthen. I think it's caught under the trans and put the motor in or something. But you'll see right here, I think, yeah, this is a speedo cable right there that goes through that rubber grommet, and we're just trying to get a little bit more length so he can plug it in while installing the gauge cluster. So we're just going to pull on it a little bit and get some more. So here, because the things that align the plugs have been broken off when the gauge cluster was pulled, we're having to look at the old one and make sure the plugs are facing the right way, make sure the pins are hitting the right holes, and then we got to make sure the square of the speedo cable is plugged in correctly so that functions properly and everything. We put the incandescent bulbs back in the gauge cluster because the LED bulbs weren't working. We don't know why yet, but maybe we'll figure it out later. But for right now, it's working, speedo works, temp sensor works, so we're good.